Hi friends, welcome back to Talk Today. Today we are taking the third part of Excel tutorial. In first two parts we already covered 10 points. Here we are going to the third part from 11 to 15. Here there is some important points we are covering like VLOOKUP, index and match. So let's start with the first one. The first one is use $sign to keep one cell formula the same regardless of where it moves. It means we have to keep the formula constant when we moving it from one cell to another cell. The importance of this one I will tell in the next point as we look up and index. So let's see how it's getting constant. Here if I put 10, 20, 30, 40, here we are giving the formula is equal to this one plus this one, press enter, we will get the result 30. But when we are writing the formula like this, once we drag it down, it will change, it will carry this formula to this cell and it will take the result between these values. It's normal, it should be do like that when we doing a simple calculation. But for in VLOOKUP and index and move, we need to make some formulas constant. So I will show you how it will be constant. Once we write the formula with $signs, like select the formula and press F4, a $sign will come there. Here also press F4, $sign will come. Just press enter, we will get the result according to these two values. Even once we drag down that one, the value will be constant because the formula will take from here only. It will not move the formula between this one. This is the use once we use $signs in the formulas. The formula will not change. The formula will carry with the particular cell which one we selected the time of giving that formula. Okay, this one just keep it in your mind. We will go to the next point. The next one we are going to look is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is used for matching the data from a sheet and bringing it according to the data. Here we have the complaint numbers and we need to fill status and amount. This status and amount we have already here with the complaint number. So we need to bring the status and amount from this sheet to this sheet according to the complaint number. So how we will do that one? We will use VLOOKUP. First you place the cursor where you need to get the result and go to function and select VLOOKUP from the function box. Sometimes it may be in most recent used and you are not able to get the VLOOKUP option here. In that case, make this selection to all and from down you can find VLOOKUP. Press OK, the VLOOKUP dialog box will come. The first one is asking lookup value. According to which one we need to look the value? According to the complaint number. So we will click here the complaint number and press tab. The second one is table array. In which table array you need to look the value of complaint number? In here our case we will go to sheet 2. Here is our lookup array. Once you selecting the array, the first cell should be the lookup value. You can see here I have number, complaint number, status, amount. Don't select like this. We need to select the first column should be the same what we given in the lookup value. So I will select from here to the entire array. Yeah, now the all array is selected. Here I will give F4. You can carefully check here. Here without the dollar sign came. In the previous step I tell to make the formula stable we need to give dollar sign. For that just select this one, press F4, the dollar sign will come there. You can see dollar sign came there. Now go to next one. Here as per our selection, column index number, in which column the result is there, we need to get the status. In status is here in the second column. Maybe you will get doubt it's the third column. According to A, B, C, it is third. No. According to our selection, we are calculating the column number. We select from where? From the complaint number to this area. So the column number should be 2. Column number 2. And press tab. In the last one, just put 0. It's a conditional value. Then press enter. See, you get the data here. According to this complaint number, the data is resolved. You can manually check 2569 resolved is the status. It's automatically picked up here. For getting this all, we will just drag the condition here. It will come to all. Which one we have data in sheet 2, it will be appear. Someone you can see not available. It's because the data is not here. You can manually check, copy this one. I am going to find it here. It's not appear. It means the data not here. So all the one which have data we get already here. In the same way we need to get amount also. That one also I will use VLOOKUP again. Press here, go to function. This time I am selecting here recently used, because VLOOKUP once you used already it will come top. So no need to check all that list. Select the VLOOKUP, press OK. The first one what? Lookup value. This is the lookup value. Go to tab, and from where we need to look up this value, we need to look up value from here. Here also I am selecting all. Once you finish the selection, press F4 to bring dollars there and tab. This time the third one we are going to get, because amount is in the third column. 1, 2, 3 according to our selection, it's in the third column. So we'll put 3 here. Conditional format, we will put 0, then press OK. Amount we get already here 2569, the amount is 10. Here also I will drag down to get all the data. Yes, here also we get all the data. Someone is not get because this complaint number not here in this data, that's why. So this is VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP have some drawbacks, because only we can look the data in left to right manner and only in vertically also. This is only the drawback of the VLOOKUP. So to fulfill that one, we have another option, that is index and match. This one we will come to it after finishing the drop down list. I will show you first how to create a drop down list in Excel. Okay, once you do this one, the formulas is there always. So if you don't want to maintain the formula there, because if you make any sort by mistake, what will happen, the formula will collapse the data. So what we will do, select the entire formula cell and just copy, and again right click, paste special, give value, then press OK. Now the formula is gone, only the value is there. You can see no formula is there. Okay, now we will go to drop down. Our next thing is drop down. I will show you what's drop down. Here I need to get a drop down list of all the complaint numbers. How I will do that one? Just select where you need to get the drop down. Go to data, data validation. Click here. Allow any value. No, we will select list. Then you will get one more box to get the source, to select the source. Click this one and select the entire source. Press enter, press OK. Now it will be a drop down. You can see an arrow here. Once you click this one, you will get the entire list of the complaint numbers here. Like this way we can create drop downs. The next one, the main and important one, is index and match. Index and match is same like VLOOKUP, but we can apply some conditions with the help of match here. Here I am supposed to get the name, status and amount of the complaint number what I am giving here. It means what I am going to select here. If I select one complaint number, I need to get the name of the person, status of the complaint and the amount what is there. So here we will not use VLOOKUP. So more advanced one is index and match. So here we will use index and match. Let's see how to do that one. First we need to get the name here according to the complaint number what we are selecting here. Place here, go to the bar, type equal to index. Once you write index and press tab, you can get array. Here we are going to select all the array from where we need to get the data. First thing, I will select all the array where we have data, all the data. Here also we will put F4 to make a dollar separation to be the formula constant. So the first part is array. We already selected the array. Once the first part is finished, each part is finished, we need to make a comma separation. I put comma. The second one is row number. In this row number we are giving the command by match. If you start to type, it will come automatically. To complete it, just press tab. Once match a bracket is open already, lookup value. We are going to look a value with the help of match. Which value we are going to look? We are going to look the complaint number. So we will select the cell which one containing the complaint number. I select that one. The first part is finished, so we need to put a comma. We put comma. Now the second part is lookup array, where we are going to look this complaint number in the array of complaint number. So I will select all this complaint number. Here also, once we finish the selection, press F4 to get the dollar separation. So in the lookup array also we done. So what we will do, we will put again comma. Here is the condition. We need to get exact match, so we will put 0. So with this one match type also we selected 0. So we need to close the bracket. We are start the bracket for the match here. All the conditions of the match we given, so we need to close the bracket. Once we close, it's again go to index, right? Because we not finished the index here. Now we need to finish the index. Index row we already finished. In the row area we use the match condition. So the row area is finished with this match condition. We will put comma to finish it. Now the column number. According to the complaint number, which columns result we need to get in the first one, the name. Name, where is it? In the second column. Here we need to select the column number from which column we need to take the data. So what it will do, it will take the data from the column 2 depending upon the complaint number. So I'll put 2 here, and the index part column also we finished. So we will close the bracket, press enter. Now we get, according to this ticket number, the person's name is Goodwin. You can manually check that one, 2570. 2570, the person name is Goodwin. In this way we have to put status and amount also. For that we will go to status, the same method is equal to index tab array, the complete array, press F4 to give dollar separation. Array part is finished, so we will put we will add comma. In the row number we will use match function. For that write MA. To complete that one, press tab, the bracket is automatically open. Lookup value, here also we are looking the value complaint number, because according to this complaint number we need to get the result. Put the complaint number, lookup value also finish, so we will put comma and lookup array, where we are going to look this complaint number in the complaint number section. So select all the complaint number column and press F4. Also lookup array is finished, press comma, the match type is exact match, so we will put 0. That part is finished, so we will close the bracket. Again it changed to index. In the index row part is finished. Now we need to add the column part, so put comma, it will move to column part. In which column? The status is here 1 2 3 4th column, so press 4 and close the bracket to complete the index. Here also we get the result pending customer. Once again we need to get the amount, the same formula we are using. Go here, is equal to index in, tab to make full the command, bracket is automatically opened. We need to select the array from which array we need to get the data. We will select the complete array, press F4 to make the dollar separation. The array part is finished, so we make comma. We will move to row part. In the row part we are using match, MA tab, match function also started. Lookup value, here also we are looking according to the complaint number what we are given here, so select that value and press comma, because the lookup value area is finished. Lookup array, where we are going to look this complaint number in the complaint number area, so select entire complaint number area, press F4 to make comma dollar separation, and press comma, because lookup array part is finished already, and the match type is 0. We will close the bracket. We will move to index again, and in index row part is finished. We need to move to column part, so put a comma to move to the column part. And in which column the amount is here? 1 2 3 4 5, in the 5th column, so we'll put 5 here and close the bracket, press enter. Amount also we get. Now you can check why we do this one. This why we do, from here once we select any of the ticket number, we will get the data of the particular ticket number above. See, Ali Akbar, resolved 10, amount is 10. Suppose 2574 have no data. 24, so once I select 2475. Sorry, 2574. 2574 I selected. There is name Ali Akbar, 2574 Ali Akbar, but no data here. So it's come not available. Once we select 2570, 2570, it's Goodwin and pending customer 20. So this is the main use of index command. This one is a merging of index command with match function. This is a little bit complicated. Most of them not realize this option, and they are not using, all of them using VLOOKUP. But this one is a very good option. It's advanced option than VLOOKUP. The next one we are going to check COUNTIF. It's a COUNTIF. It's used to count a data with the condition. Here I am going to, I just need to know how many Ali Akbars in this column. For that one we can use COUNTIF command. This one, place the cursor where you need to get the data. Go to is equal to, just write COUNTIF tab range. In which range we need to select? In this range we need to know the data. Once we finish the range, just press F4, comma. In this range, what you need to check? Ali Akbar. So if you're writing any text here, you need to use colons, ALI space AKBAR, close the colon, close the bracket, enter. What it means, there is 10 times. Ali Akbar is 10 times in this area, which one we selected. If you want to check, we can do a manual check that one. I am sorting by name. You can select this one. There is 10 times Ali Akbar. This is the use of COUNTIF command. By this way, you can count anything here. So we already covered the 5 parts in this section also. So I hope all of you get the idea about this one. If you have any doubt related to any point, please come on the comment box. I will do a detailed video regarding that. So thanks for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.